Hey guys, what's going on? It is Monday. I thought I'd come by the lake and do a quick vlog. You know, I have some quiet time out here. So I always try to come out here where I can talk to you and there's no sounds of traffic, stuff like that. So how was everybody's weekend? It was the special snow moon weekend this weekend. If you got a chance to go out there and take a look at the moon, that was like some kind of special full moon for the month of February. First full moon for 2020. That was pretty interesting. Okay. Just checking to see that my umbrella's still here. It is right here. Because it was so hot and it was so bright earlier, I brought an umbrella with me to protect my skin while I'm walking to the store because that's where I was heading. See, my arms get really sunburned. Living in Florida, it just fell. Let's pick it up really quick. So I brought an umbrella with me to protect my skin, you know, from the sun and getting burnt and stuff like that. So this weekend was a special snow moon. If you guys got a chance to go out there and take a look at that. I went and looked at it last night. I didn't think it was nothing that special going on. So I came back in. I didn't feel like recording video or anything like that. So we had a snow moon, and what else? The Oscars, they said, was this weekend. I didn't watch that. I didn't get a chance to see that. But sometimes I don't watch these Academy Award shows and these shows like that. Let me see what else. I started taking my multivitamin pills again. So I'm on my way to go get some water for that. But mostly taking the ones that have zinc inside. And something I thought of in meditation. We'll see if there's any big change or anything like that. You know. I just came back from the post office a minute ago. Went and mailed something off. It was a child's snowsuit, which I thought somebody up north would buy, but somebody in California bought it, which is pretty interesting. Maybe it does get pretty cold where they are. They were in Redwood, California. So it was like a fleece-lined little child's snowsuit made by Columbia. So because it's just something for a little kid to wear to stay warm, I just put it on eBay for like $6. $8 shipping, and they bought that. Somebody bought it. So last night I was up watching some videos too, like old YouTube videos, old Sting videos. I love that kind of music in that era, like Sade, Sting, U2, 80s music, 90s music. I love all kinds of music, even today's music. But 80s music just, it never gets old. It never loses its special sound that it has too. So I like 80s music a lot. Saying it's pretty bright today and it's hot. It felt like 80 degrees when I was walking up here a minute ago. It's very hot. Still checking in with you guys, watching your vlogs and your fun day vlogs and all the things that you guys post. I think it's such a cool time right now that we have YouTube and we can connect with one another and we can look into each other's lives and see what other people's life is like. That's really interesting. Let me see. If I step in the sun, it's bright, it's hot. I'll turn around, maybe you can see the lake behind me. Yep. thirsty. I had a Sunny Delight drink the other day. That was so good. Might get another one. It was like orange mango. Take that with my vitamins. Drink some of that. I definitely hope that the vitamins help and work. It's probably about time I do take some like that. Take some vitamins and stuff. You gotta take care of yourself. I would love to work out like every day. Go to the gym like how some people do, but I do a lot of walking, I could say. I get in a lot of walking. So I don't really go to the gym or anything. I've seen people who are older who go to the gym and they look like decades younger, which is amazing. So it's something I'd like to do one day is work out on real exercise equipment, not just walk. Maybe one day. I would like to have it in my house actually, instead of going to the gym every day. Have like an exercise room. So maybe one day a fitness room, have those big machines and just pull. Exercise. It's about 1 o'clock. It's Monday, February, right after this special snow moon that happened over the weekend. So I'm wearing a vintage citrine pendant, a chunky one. It's just something on like a silver necklace. And this is a crystal, like Swarovski crystal. Swarovski crystal. I can't even say it. And it's like yellow. It has like a yellow backing on the back, so it's yellow tones. And a 925 silver necklace and silver pendant. Some vintage charms. Wearing that, I always change like my jewelry up every couple weeks or every couple days. Put in something new. Change my rings, change my bracelets. Kind of like go with the flow of whatever's going on. You know, so your energy, different energy, however you feel. Stuff like that. Sometimes wear like turquoise rings, sometimes I don't wear them. Just stuff like that. So I'm gonna wrap this video up. I hope that you guys were having a good weekend. And I hope that you tune in to my channel. Hit like and subscribe. Hit like and subscribe. And don't forget to comment down below. I am gonna head back to the store. There's always some strange person out here, so I guess it's time to head back. There's some crazy lady arguing or something like that, so I'm about to go the opposite way. But it looks really beautiful out here, if you can see that. It's looking really nice out here. Taking my vitamins. One thing I notice when I'm walking, I'm always singing. I never recorded that, but I'm always singing little songs. Look at the turtle. Turtle! Hey, turtle! Hey, turtle! It's getting sun. It's a nice day out here. Oh, the ducks are swimming. The ducks are swimming. Beautiful ducks out here. At least I have a place to come and talk to you guys where it's kind of quiet sometimes. Turn this. Taking a bath? Are you taking a bath? What's going on? Like, isn't he in the water all day long? Why is he taking a bath? Don't they stay in the water like all day long? I don't know. So this is one of the places I come to shoot a video because it's quiet. So I live by the highway. I'm getting tired now. Just walking, just came from post office. About to go get water and stuff like that. Stuff to drink. Go back home, relax. Oh, well, I guess until tomorrow or later on until I vlog again. Thanks for watching my channel. I hope that you hit like and subscribe and comment down below. Hopefully you guys got great plans for this week as well. Don't forget to take your vitamins too. Get plenty of water. Until next time, thanks for watching.